Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll know how to download the latest version of QGIS 3.34 or 3.32 version. Okay, so at first you open any browser. So here I open Google Chrome and just simply write here QGIS download. Okay, so I want to mention one thing. When you want to download QGIS latest version software, you should connect with an internet connection for that. So first one, this QGIS download, just click here, and here we can see several download option. But latest you can see here, previously QGIS given all kind of the versions in free of cost, but presently the QGIS launch the paid, that means the contribution also. You can see here there is a two type of contribution. You can see one time contributions, and that is the monthly contribution, $5, $10 like that. Sorry, €5, €10 like that. Okay, so but here you can see here our software is and always will be available free of charge if download from qgis.org. So don't tension, you can download this from free of cost. So just go below and you can see here skip it and go to download. Just click here, and now you can see here there is a the several option is there. Long term version for Windows 3.34 LTR, latest versions, then OSG, different. Not only that, you can see Linux, Macs, the other versions also available. According to your requirement, you can download. But here I want to mention you that there is a two basically. Here you can see here one is the 3.34 and this 3.4. So 3.4 is the latest version, but I recommended you, all of you, to download this long-term version always. When you want to update your QGIS, you should always install long-term versions, because this long-term version is accepted version. On the other hand, the latest version means this with this version different kind of experiment is going on. Okay, so we should download this long-term version. Just click here this long-term version, and after the clicking within few seconds, automatically if you see in your panel, this QGIS will start download. So in previous I already started the download. After download, I want to show you how to install this QGIS in our desktop. Okay, so let uh, wait for the uh, download completion. So you can see here QGIS 3.34 already downloaded. So click here show in folder, and here you can see QGIS 3.34 already downloaded. So after downloading this, just double click on this, and after that now I will show how to install this latest version 3.34 in our system. If you have the previous systems, no, uninstall your previous version. After that you can install this present version. Otherwise you can simultaneously previous version or present version, both of the version can install in the same computer in the same time. It will not create any problem during your map activity. I have already 3 point, you can see here I have 3.32 QGIS the previous version, and now I will do the present version. Okay, let's see. So you can see here, welcome to the QGIS 3.34 present version. Okay, so it will take some time. So at first click on this next, then click on accept all term and license agreement. Click on next, click on next. Your file should be installed within this C drive, that means within the program file. Click on next, click on next, install. It will take a few minutes or several minutes to complete this process. Let's see. So process is complete. Click on finish. Okay, then minimize. Here you can see QGIS file 3.34. Okay, double click. Okay, now you can see here several file, but you should we need only QGIS 3.3413. Double click here. So our latest version of QGIS already open in our window. So you can see here everything is here. Just close this one. So this is the map view, and this is the processing toolbox, and this actually we use during the supervised image classification. No need for present time. So uncheck this. Okay, we can. Okay, so after the opening of this QGIS software, you just check it the plugin option, because we need several tools for the QGIS. So for example, I just click here plugin, go to the manage and install plugin. Here you can see the several plugin options. So according to your requirement you can check and install. So the thing is that basically some tools already added within this latest version, and some are still missing within this present QGIS. So you can see here plugin option all. These are the all plugin option that is already installed. So if anything you require for your map making, so you just type here. For example, I want to type here the plugin that is for example semi automated. Okay, you can see a semi automatic classification plugin. This is already check, means it is already associated with this present form of the software. No need to install again, but you can do just check a click here and you can upgrade this plugin. Okay, just click here the upgrade, so the latest version will automatically update with your present software. So this is our latest QGIS. Everything is updated till day. So close it. So now you can do any kind of activity according to your requirement. So you can see my previous tutorial where I explain step by step from the georeferencing to the different GIS making activity. So thank you for watching. And